This Gomaco Series 21 microcontroller network version is used in a large Gomaco Series 3600 road construction machine. This version has a CAN bus interface, which allows for automated control and monitoring. This controller maintains the slope of the pour as the machine lays down the concrete and ensures it is level and uniform. This system came in with a bad control board, which we repaired along with replacing several defective keypads. These units typically come to ERD covered with concrete, and we first remove all contamination to get the system looking clean. ERD also repairs all the attached sensors and optional controls that can be found on Gomaco systems. ERD performs repairs on construction equipment from several manufacturers like this Gomaco, along with Caterpillar and John Deere, just to name a few.